Welcome everybody, it is Claudia with Patchwork with Claudia. Today we are working on the attic window block version 2. To make this block we will need 4 squares 4.5 inches color A, 4 squares 2.5 inches color B, 4 rectangles 4.5 inches by 2.5 inches color B, and 4 rectangles 6 3/4 by 2.5 inches color C. Let's see it how it works. I have all pieces that I need for this block. The first thing that we are going to do is take the 2.5 squares and draw a diagonal line. Then we take the 6 3/4 by 2.5 inches rectangles and we are going to join this way and we are going to sew on this line. After that we are going to cut here and we open and will be this way. So let's start it. I am going to help myself with some pins so I can have the fabric doesn't move while I am sewing. Now I'm going to put this one here. Then the third one. We are going to sew in the same direction all four. So let's start it. So as I mentioned it, we are going to sew all four in the same direction. So I already joined them here. Now we need to press, get a 1/4 inch. In that 1/4 inch we cut and then we press again, and this is what we are going to have. We need to do the same for the other 3 pieces. I have all 4 pieces here. As you can see, I have all 4 pieces here. Now I need to trim them to get a rectangle of 6.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So let's move these ones away here and let's start with this one. So let's see it. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. And we are going to check that all of them get 6.5 by 2.5. So I'm going to trim a little leftover here on this side, and then I am going to do the, oh, here didn't work well, and then I'm going to do the same here. So here I will check 6.5 by 2.5, and I remove whatever is left. So here is a little thing, and then here. So now I have my piece ready. I need to do the same with the other 3. Now we have all sections ready to start assembling our block. I already laid out the block, and now we take the square and the 4.5 by 2.5 rectangle and join them together. So these are going this way. After we finish doing this, we are going to join this piece to this piece. So let's do first these sections. We are going to start joining these pieces. I align my fabric, and we are going to sew with 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now I will do the same with these 2. And let's do section number 30. And number 4. Now I need to press the fabric, and then we are going to attach the other piece. I lay out my block again. Now it's time to attach this part to our square and our little rectangle. So we are going to join this way. We are going to help ourselves with some pins and join the pieces here and here at the end. And my last one. And let's start joining them. Let's go here with the first one. second one here. Organize my fabric. Remove my pin and continue sewing. Let's do with the third one. That's my fabric. Pass. And the last one. I have here all 4 sections. Let's see it. Let's remove this leftover thread. So now I have here. Now we need to press and start joining them again. So we are going to press them. All sections are ready. Now we can start joining them. So let's do it one by one. So here we lay out this part, line up my fabrics and start sewing a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I organize my fabrics and sew. Now the other half. Now I'm going to press and then I will join these 2 sections. It is time to join these 2 parts. I'm going to nest the corners here. And hold the fabric with some pins so I get a better corner and my corners match. And let's sew. It moves here a little bit. Let's see what we got it. So we go this way. So here is my attic window version 2. Now I can press and the block is done. Here is our ending block, 12.5 inches. I invite you to practice it, subscribe to my channel, share the videos and give me thumbs up. See you next time here in Patchwork with Claudia. Bye.